Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable double tap over on your iPhone. So basically when you double tap at the back of your phone, it will make a screenshot or something else, and when you want to disable that, then in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So first of all, head over to settings over on your iPhone just like this, and once you've done that, simply scroll down till you find accessibility right here. Once you've done that, click on touch right here, scroll down till you find back tap, and then right here what you can do is you can either set back tap or you can either disable it. So we have double tap right here, and now let's say that I have it on flashlight and I want to disable it, then all I need to do is click on none just like this, and basically once it's set to none, nothing will happen once you have basically double tap at the back of your phone, meaning that it has been disabled, and that can also be done for triple tap, and that's basically all you need to do in order to completely disable it. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.